Gastroenteritis. Overview. Gastroenteritis is a disease which is characterized by the infection and inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract, that is, mouth, food pipe, stomach, and intestine, resulting in diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and cramping. It is also referred to as stomach flu. Symptoms. The main symptom includes loose watery stools pass 3 or more times within 24 hours. The other symptoms include nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, stomach cramps, headache, fever, fainting and weakness, loss of appetite, and dehydration occurs as the fluid is lost through vomiting and diarrhea. Causes. This disease is caused mostly by certain viruses or less often by bacteria, their toxins, parasites, or an adverse reaction to something in the diet or medication. It is a contagious disease. A lack of good hygiene can result in gastroenteritis. Recovery time. Most people with mild symptoms recover within 2 to 3 days, but occasionally it may persist as long as 10 days. Food and nutrition. It is best to have simple food which is not spicy and is easy to digest. If you are suffering from vomiting, have bread toast. The feeling of nausea or vomiting is controlled by citrus fruits like lime, grapefruit, and orange. Vegetable soup is good for the system. Buttermilk cools the digestive system and also prevents dehydration. Have foods such as boiled potatoes, beans, carrots, and celery or parsley. Even boiled or cooked pasta is easy to digest. Bananas are known for the soothing effect on the stomach. To treat gastroenteritis, have raw bananas or juice. Even apple juice, pears, and sweet lime juice treat stomach flu. Have lots of water to prevent dehydration. Foods to be avoided. Dairy products like milk, ice creams, cheese, and yogurt. Alcohol and caffeinated beverages. Foods containing caffeine like chocolates and ice creams. Spicy foods, nuts, seeds, and popcorn. Dried peas, raw fruits, and vegetables. Foods high in fat or sugars. Exercise and yoga. Gastroenteritis is cured by plenty of bed rest and fluids. Hence, no exercises are recommended. The person can do slight walking. Asanas which reduce diarrhea are Parvaritta Trikona Asana, the revolved triangle pose. Pavan Mukta Asana, wind relieving pose. Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Consult a doctor if you have a high fever above 101 degree Fahrenheit, blood or pus in your stool, severe diarrhea or vomiting, symptoms of significant dehydration including dry mouth, intense thirst, and weakness. Prevention. Gastroenteritis can be prevented by always wash your hands regularly and maintain hygienic conditions. Eat properly prepared and stored food. Get vaccinated. Vaccinations for Vibrio cholerae and rotavirus have been developed. Keep your surroundings clean and germ-free. Avoid eating foods and beverages from street vendors. They may be contaminated. Exercise regularly. A healthier body is the best shield against all forms of diseases. Some forms of gastroenteritis caused by emotional problems may be prevented by trying to reduce stress in one's life.